is a gnome? Well, you know me, I have to go and look it up and find out what is this gnome excitement all about. Well, the gnomes first appeared in the 1840s in England, and their popularity took off from that point. Now, they're also known as underground dwellers, and in Scandinavia, their noses are covered, and they are known as their Santa Claus. And the taller the hat, the more smart they are. And they originated from the Nordic folklore, which is associated with winter, particularly Christmas. Now, who is the most famous gnome? Well, it is Howard the Gnome. He is a celebrity in Victoria Island in Canada. So with that, let's get on with the first DIY. Gnome number 1, Cup Cozy. The supplies needed include 1 cup with a handle, red fabric, a small felt ball, faux fur, black and white scarf fabric, elastic hair tie, and a button. So the first thing that you want to do is measure your scarf fabric around the cup and cut it to size. Then sew. Yes, I have a sewing machine, a Bernina, and I make some of my clothes. And I made a tube and turned it inside out, tucked one end inside itself and glued it shut. The other side, I sewed the elastic hair tie so that I could button and unbutton to wash and clean. Next, I sewed on a button that I found in my stash. And once that was completed, I moved on to make the gnome. I made the hat out of a stocking I purchased from Dollar Tree by cutting a half circle and gluing it in a triangle. I glued it on the scarf and cut the beard out of this Christmas stocking cuff that I purchased also from Dollar Tree and glued it underneath the hat. Then I glued the felt nose under the hat and wrapped it around the cup and buttoned it securely. Wow! Put your hot chocolate, tea, or coffee in the cup and you can drink with style. Now, gnome number 2 is a sachet gnome. The supplies needed include burlap cream and or black piece of cotton fabric that is the same size as a salad plate, needle and thread, a template, which I use a plate, but you can use cardboard or anything, some scissors, some chalk, or something that will make an outline especially to see through the black burlap, some batting, and I use this from an old pillow that I had, and some lavender, which is 1/2 cup that I got from Amazon, and some greenery, which is embellishment to fix up the sachet gnome, and some felt balls. Also, I ended up using some beads, or you can use rocks. I did a little bit of both. I was excited about this project because it had so many uses. It can be a gift and it can smell good. The burlap circles are 6 inches in diameter, and I use the salad plate as a template, but you can use a piece of cardboard, etc. I cut around the circle and took a needle and thread and sewed around the circle until it formed a pouch. Then I put batting on the bottom and a few beads in one and rocks in the other ones. However, I would avoid putting pink beads in because it may show through. This is necessary to kind of weigh it down so it will stand up upright and not fall down. I put approximately 1/2 cup of lavender in the center of the cotton round fabric and put a rubber band around it to keep the herb inside. Then I put it in the center of the burlap pouch. Now it was time to pull the thread taut and sew or hot glue it together. Now I made a hat by using a half circle and gluing the pieces together. And then you got to stuff some batting in the hat. You stuff some batting in the hat, turn up the front, and put a dab of glue to keep it turned up. But first I needed to put a beard on the gnome and hot glue it to the sachet pouch. Then I got to put the hat on. And then the nose last. The embellishment of the hat is done by putting some berries and greenery on the side. I like this project so well that I made 3 because they would make just beautiful gifts. I've already given 1 away and they were just thrilled. DIY number 3. This is a gnome gift tag. Supplies needed include a wood gift tag, or you can make one, which I did. A wooden gnome, which I found on something that I had purchased way back when from Dollar Tree. Acrylic paint in gray, red, black, green, brown, and white. And a Noel stamp, which I had because I made cards, and a couple of star stickers. Now this is a very easy DIY also. The season is very busy, so easy is good for me. I took a piece of wood and cut it in the form of a gift tag, and it wasn't a thick piece of wood. It was rather thin. I think it had come off of something else that I had purchased from Dollar Tree. And I stained it with brown acrylic paint and water. That works very well. Then I proceeded to paint the hat green and dotted it with white polka dots. His suit is painted red with white cuffs, and the gloves and shoes are black. The nose is brown, and the beard is gray mixed with white paint, so I didn't want it too dark. And then, gnomes, I guess they have a heart. So I did not want the heart empty, so I stamped the word Noel. I found a couple of star stickers and I put them on the gift tag. And this is adorable. So let me know what you think. The last DIY is a bottle topper gnome. So the supplies you need include red felt from a Dollar Tree Santa hat, a small felt ball, and you need it in small and medium, a remnant of scarf, a beard, and this is from a Santa hat from Dollar Tree, some wire, and hot glue. I was inspired by something I saw on Wayfair. This makes a nice gift if you're putting it on a bottle of sparkling grape juice. I don't drink, so I think this looks really cute. So let's get started. You need to decide on how tall you want the hat. The taller the hat, the more important the gnome. I cut a piece of wire as tall as the hat, then hot glued the wire to one side of the triangular fabric. And the fabric, again, like I said, came from a Dollar Tree hat and a Dollar Tree gnome. Fold the other side of the hat to the side with the wire and glue shut. Then attach a small felt ball at the top of the hat. Then you want to glue the beard to the underside of the hat and place the felt nose in the center. This took about 5 minutes to complete. Once you have everything cut out, place it on top of your bottle and you have a delightful gift gnome waiting for someone to enjoy. Because of the wire in the hat, you can twist it all sorts of ways, so it makes it kind of cool. Now, Z9 Design family, that is all I have to share today. So please make sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment. It really helps my channel to grow. But before I give you the other information, I want to tell you about some fantastic women that are hosting this collaboration. Mama Mia DIY and So Kate with the guest host, yours truly, Z9 Designs. These women are awesome by being supportive, kind, and having such a sweet spirit. So be sure to subscribe, like, save, and comment on their channel. And the link to their channel is listed in the description box. In addition, be sure to follow all of the other wonderful collaborators that are in the playlist, which is also in the description box below. So, with that being said, if I reach 800 on this video and you comment with the word gnome, you could be the winner of a wonderful prize. However, this is available to US only. Also, you may follow me on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And remember, I've been searching for ways to heal myself, and I found that kindness is the best way. This is from Lady Gaga. See you later. Bye-bye.